Alright, so I'm going to show you all a few things that I've learned about this key cutter. So, you see this arm here? Goes up. What that does is, like, if you got to move it somewhere or take it, you just put this like back here, put this here, and then it'll keep it from moving. You see what I mean? So that's pretty cool. Helps protect it. Now we're going to go to something else. This handle right here, you don't want it really tight, because like you see, I'm trying to force it down. I can't because it's firm. But if I loosen this a little bit, the head, cutting head area can come down. So it can go up and down. And then let's say you want to hold it in place. You just turn that and it'll stay down. Now, I'll turn a little light on in there. When you want to put the probe in and the milling cutter, you get 3 Allen wrenches here. The smallest one is the one that will go in here to turn that little like screw that's Allen. Then in here is where that probe will go. And I'll do that now. This is the probe for the XHorse XP007. This probe will go on your right side. Now, it has 2 different sizes, so you can do it for the thinner keys or thicker keys. That is all you have to do to put the probe in. To insert the milling cutter in your Dolphin XP007, it will go right here on the left little arm. Mine, on the back side here, is a little Allen wrench. And with that little Allen wrench, use the smallest one that came in the set of 3. You will remove your milling cutter. now you can actually turn the little arm. But what I want to do is okay. And I'm not going crazy with this, I'm just firm. Okay, so that's on there firm. That's how you install the milling cutter. With your Dolphin XP007, you will get 3 Allen wrenches. The little Allen wrench is for doing your probe or your milling cutter for the adjustments and installation and removal. The medium one and one in the middle will be for your different positions down here, or nope, just here. It may fit in a few other little spots. Now, your larger one that comes with it, oh, actually I take it back. Well, the larger one is for right here. Yep. When you go to put a key on here, I will show you how to do that. Now that I have placed those on, I'm going to power it up. So far I've done the things good. On the back side of your XP007, you have this area right here. That's where your plug from your charger will go in. Now it's charging. I would suggest that when it's all charged up and you're not using it, to unplug it from the power supply, so then you don't roast the battery that's in here. And also another thing, I would let the battery run itself down and then give it a full charge, so you make your battery last longer, basically like a telephone. Alright, calibration is, you see these two little needles leveling, it says? So when you come down, you see how they're both green? Okay, watch this. I'm going to turn this just a whole bunch. Now watch those. See how it's only that one? So if it's only that one, or only this one, that means one of them has to come up or go down. So what I'm going to do is readjust this one until I get them to match up. Okay, I'm going to bring it back over just a little. You see, you can go like a hair over. I want them to light up at the same time. There we go. Hopefully I'm doing this right. I watched multiple different things on how to do that. Bring this one over just a hair more. Okay, now you see they light up at the same time. Now, hopefully y'all can see that when I do this. I want them to touch everywhere. So what I would suggest as far as calibration, when you have keys in there, make sure that the keys are lighting up both of those properly. Every key is probably different. And then there is a way to take this out to get you more adjusting sides and size. You loosen this one, like this. Then this comes out, and then you can do it different angles for different size keys. And to put it back in, you do that. You just put that right there, line it up, and if you look here, you see there you have different numbers for settings. I'm going to set it at 0. Okay, and then I'm going to tighten that little Allen. There we go. It's just firm, just to keep that in place. Didn't do it really tight. I don't suggest doing anything really tight on here. Just firm. That's it. I'm going to make another video on how to adjust for the keys. For now, this is a basic setup, giving you an idea of what all to do. Thanks for watching.